I finally got the new motorized stuff. Anyways, hello everyone, and today we're reviewing the new 80th motorized Thomas. Alright, so here's the box, the back, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Come on. There we go. Alright, here is Thomas himself. Here's the truck. I actually kind of like it, but it reminds me of the Trackmaster Revolution Talk Thomas, but this seems to be, yeah, it looks gold, but I don't know if it's actually gold. But anyway, here's Thomas. The side rods, step ladder. That's interesting. A molded lamp. That's cool. And here's his face, the lamp, and the whistle and cab. Yeah, it looks really cool. And for comparison, here's him next to my main Thomas.
Hello.
And my hit toy company Thomas.
Hello.
Alright everyone, that's the end of the video, and now let's give this Thomas a test run.